This is a 15 kVA battery type welder. On this you can weld nickel coated copper taps on the batteries as well as nickel taps on the batteries. Now we'll show you the working of the controller. This is the controller. You can go to say schedule, press the schedule, then you can increase or decrease the schedule number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can bring it back to 1 and then switch off the schedule, go to the program, then you can select the weld settings. So you select 20 cycles the squeeze time. You can increase or decrease if you want. So keep it 20 cycles and enter the button, then keep on entering till you come to W2 weld timing. That you can say keep 3 or 4 cycles, then enter again. This is a percentage of heat that you can set for nickel coated copper 0.2 mm. Then press enter, then keep on entering till you come to hold, keep 10 cycles, then again enter. Now the controller is ready for spot welding. Set the pressure to say 35-36 psi for battery type welding. Now the setting is done for the pressure, current and the weld timing. Show you the working by putting on the weld no weld switch to weld switch. Then by keeping the tab on the battery, you can weld. We'll show you the welding once again. Hold the tab like this in the battery and press the pushes. This is how it's welded. I'll show you the welding.